In this how-to guide, I'm going to walk you through how to obtain Citrix Unicon licenses. Citrix Unicon is a new acquisition by Citrix. It allows thin client management, and it also allows you, with its eLux software, to repurpose existing thin client hardware. First of all, you need to go to the Citrix website and go to citrix.com/account. From there, log in and you can go to Manage My Licenses and you should be able to find a link for Unicon. There you will see that there is an Activate Unicon link. The black arrow will show you where to click for the Unicon licenses. Just click on that link there and you'll get 3 boxes pop up and you'll enter first name, surname and email address and then click Submit. Once you've done that, you'll be sent an email from Unicon and that will allow you to register in the My eLux console. So you'll get a username and password and be able to log in at My eLux. And then once in My eLux, you can download the software. So as you can see there, you've got products and downloads, licensing, training and help. All the software is under the product and download section.